Good morning, kindergarten. This is Miss Richlick back with another writing video. So yesterday we read our story, What's Alive? And today we're going to finish a little bit more of the book and do some writing about it. So let's keep reading. When we left off, the little girl was walking around outside and inside her house to see if she could find things that were living and non-living. So, can you remember how to tell if something is alive? Yes, if it's alive, it needs food, air, and water. If it doesn't need those things, it is not alive. So let's see what she was up to. All animals and all plants are living things. Anything that never needs food or water or air is not a living thing. Now you can go exploring. Walk around your house slowly, then through your backyard or the park. Maybe stay in your house for now. Look carefully at everything you see. Draw pictures of each different thing. I see her drawing some pictures. When you are finished exploring, look at your pictures and see if you can tell which are living things and which are non-living. For each picture, ask yourself these questions. Does this thing need food? Does it need water? Does it need air? Can it grow or move all by itself? If the answer to these questions is yes, then it is a living thing. Wow, I see her asking herself those questions and drawing some pictures to go with them. So guess what, kindergarten? We are actually going to do that right now. So your job today during writing is to draw at least 2 pictures and write 1 sentence for each. I want you to draw a picture of a living thing and a picture of a non-living thing. You're going to write a sentence to tell me what that thing is and if it's living or non-living. So I'll do one first. In my house, I have my cat. His name is Shane. Say hi, Shane. I know he is a living thing because I need to give him food and water, and he needs air to survive. So I can draw a picture of my cat because he's a living thing. I also have this flower in my house. I know that even though it doesn't move around like the cat, it's still a living thing because it needs food, water, and air to survive. So, as we know, Miss Richlick sometimes has trouble drawing things, so I'm going to choose to draw the flower instead. So, let me see. Ooh, I need a purple colored pencil to draw my flower because I see some purple in it. Let me go ahead, see the shapes that I need to draw. There we go. I've gotten the outline. Now I'll add some details. Now I'll add the stem. The stem is green, so let me get my green colored pencil. And this flower has got some leaves at the bottom here. So let me get my green to draw those. And now I can go ahead and color it in. Now you're going to do some much neater coloring than Miss Richlick, but I just want to make sure that you can can see what my flower looks like in the picture. You can use crayons if you have crayons at home to add color, or you can use markers. I'm using these cool colored pencil things. And there we go. There's my flower. So now I need to write a sentence that tells what my flower is and if it's a living thing or a non-living thing. So I know my flower needs air, water, and food to survive, so it's a living thing. So I'm going to write, my flower is living. Let me write it. I'm taking the time to make sure my letters are nice and neat. You can also be talking like a turtle while you write to sound out your words. Now, so far I have my flower is, but I need to know how to write the word living. I can go back to my text and find the word living in the text. Here it is. You can go back to this video and pause it on this screen so you can find the word living and copy it if you need to. Okay, let me write it. Let's spell it together. L-I-V-I-N-G. I'll put a period to show my sentence is over. Living. My sentence says, my flower is living. Great, so now I've written about a living thing in my house, so it's time for me to write about a non-living thing in my house. I've got a lot of things that are not alive in my house. I have this ball. Let me think. Does this ball need food? No. Does it need water? No. Does it need air? No. So, is this ball living? No, it's not. So, I'm going to write about this ball as my non-living thing. So, what color should I make this ball? Should I make it orange? No, we use real life colors in our writing. This ball is blue, so I'll get my blue colored pencil. This ball is also a certain shape. Can you tell me what shape this ball is? Yes, it's a sphere. So let me go ahead and draw a circle to show that this ball is a sphere. I'll do a quick job coloring it in. You can take your time, go slow and color neat. But I want you to be able to get to your writing, so I'll just color in quickly to show that my ball is blue. There we go. There's my blue ball. It's a sphere. Now, I need to write and tell if my ball is living or non-living. We already said that my ball is non-living, so I can write that as a sentence at the bottom to match. My ball. Let me talk like a turtle to write ball. 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 I'll write the sounds I hear. All. Great. My ball is non-living. So I can go back to my text and find the word non-living. There it is right there. You can pause the video here and copy the word non-living if you need to. Okay, let's spell it while Miss Richlick writes it. N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G. I-V-I-N-G. I'll put a period to show my sentence is over. I wrote, my ball is non-living. Great. So, if I have some extra time, I can keep going and think about all the living and non-living things in my house and keep drawing more pictures and writing more sentences. As many as you want to do is great. And don't forget to take a picture and send it to Miss Richlick, Miss Vanderpool, Miss Benjamin, Miss Blossom, or Miss Burwald so we can put you on our new Instagram. Also, kindergarten, remember to save your writing from today because we're going to be doing a very special presentation tomorrow and you will need your writing for it. So make sure that you keep it in your notebook or with your school stuff so you don't lose it for tomorrow. All right, kindergarten, happy writing. I will see you tomorrow.